In ADMO, you can manage all of your data in one place. In this tutorial, you will learn about the different statuses of setting revisions and the workflow applied when the new revisions are used for commissioning events. Let's have a look at the setting revisions of this protective relay. As you can see from the overview, there are 4 different revisions with 4 different statuses. The latest, revision 4, is currently in planning. That means it is still a draft or being worked on. The user who is currently working on it has locked the file to keep other colleagues from changing it at the same time. Keep in mind this is a soft lock. Revision 3 has the status issued. These settings have been approved and are ready to be applied. Issued settings are always read-only and cannot be modified. Compared to revision 3, the settings of revision 2 are already in use and active in the relay. They are applied. Finally, the last revision in this list is archived. These are settings which are no longer in use. Now, let's update the settings in the relay to the latest issued revision. First, we need to create a new commissioning event in the maintenance timeline. Please refer to our other video on event planning for more information on the different event types. On the Settings tab, we can update the settings. But before we do this, we should compare the settings in the relay to those of revision 2, which should be active in the relay. It could be possible that someone adapted the settings in the relay and didn't report it. If this is the case, we should stop here and talk to our setting engineer before updating anything. Luckily, the settings in the relay are exactly the same as in revision 2, and we can now update to revision 3. As soon as the settings files are uploaded to the relay and the commissioning test has been completed, we will also see this in the asset table. There is now a remark that we should verify the revision. On the Settings tab, the former issued settings are now marked red and have the status applied, not verified. A double click will open the setting revision. After we have verified the revision and checked if any changes have been made to the file during commissioning, we set the status to applied. Now the statuses are updated accordingly. The former applied revision 2 is now archived. ADMO automatically tracks all the setting changes in the history of the relay. Let's quickly summarize the different statuses and changes of the workflow. There are 4 different statuses. Issued settings can be used for commissioning. When used, the status updates to applied, not verified. Back in the office, the changes must be verified, and the settings get the status applied. The formerly applied settings then get archived. Now you have learned how to benefit from the settings management feature in ADMO. You can manage the whole workflow in one place. Please also watch our other ADMO video tutorials to learn more about the software.